Hello guys, how are you today? Hello Adam, Jonathan, how are you guys? Before we'll start this live webinar, this live session, please guys, here is the risk disclaimer. Please read it. It is important for you to understand the risks when trading on the financial markets, on Forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, on CFDs. So please consult the risk disclaimer before we'll start this live session. And yeah, how are you, Adam? And I'm waiting also for your questions, for your messages into the YouTube chat. Hello Tanya, Thompson, Jordi, Kumar, one moment guys. Okay, I will close this this window, but first of all, for those who are not VIPs, for those who are not VIP members, I want to remind you that you can still use this coupon, this code, if you want to be a part of this VIP team, to become a VIP member, to have access to all our services. You can use this coupon Olympia50 to get 50% discount for the first month. Also, we have a money back guarantee, so you can join us guys. You can try our VIP services for 1 month, and if this is not for you, this is not this kind of services are not for everybody, but if you like our services, yeah, you can continue. So you can use that coupon, that code. Stefan, hello. So first of all, I want to show you here our MyFXbook account. 11.32% growth, absolute gain 11.51, and yeah, we still have, or personally I still have a long position in euro versus the British pound, which is still in profit, maybe around 30 pips, and maybe it will continue to increase. Personally, I've decided today to manage that position by closing 70% in that long position, only because it has reached an important resistance level. So here is our Learn to Trade VIP real account, and as I've told you guys in my previous session, we will continue to increase this account, our account, me and my colleagues. Learn to Trade VIP real account guys. So we will continue to grow this real account. So if you want to be a part of this team, VIP team, I've told you guys, you can access the link posted right below this video, and you can use that coupon Olympia50 to get a 50% off discount. So let's start and let's talk about gold guys. Sold BTC, Romari and Tristan. Yeah, we'll take a look on Bitcoin as well. So gold here right now, as you already know from my analysis, I sent you guys into the VIP Telegram group, also maybe in the free group. I've told you that the price of gold continues to move somehow maybe sideways here within this pattern down channel range here. Right now we are somehow at the middle of this channel. It is still undecided in the short term, so yeah, that's why we'll have to wait guys for either an upside breakout, valid breakout, upside continuation, or maybe for a potential drop here. If the price of gold maybe will stabilize here below this former low, below 1780, to drop, and if it will stay here around the downside line, the potential downside breakout, valid breakdown from this channel. Also a valid breakdown here below 1770.87 could signal a potential drop here. So yeah, today Orlando sent his trading opinion on gold. That pending order is still valid, so you can still become VIPs to get, maybe if you want to copy that trading opinion on gold, guys. So right now, as I've told you, it continues to move sideways. It has shown here some maybe it has shown that the downside is limited here, registering all these false breakdowns here, and maybe the price of gold could jump higher, could increase in the short term if the dollar index, if the dollar will depreciate versus its rivals in the short term after its amazing rally. So maybe the yellow metal will maybe take advantage of this situation, maybe if the DXY will drop. Okay, so right now we'll have to wait for something. So here this may be support area zone between 1777.43, 1780.67 holds, and I really believe that something like an upside breakout here, maybe a new higher high, could maybe activate and confirm a potential further growth here in gold. The Giants, can I try the VIP channel for free? No, you cannot try the VIP channel for free. That's why I've told you guys that I will send you the coupon into the chat as well. So I've sent you the coupon, the code Olympio50 into the chat, so you can use this coupon to become a VIP member, and you will get you can access the link posted right below this video to become a VIP member, and you can use this coupon to get a 50% discount for the first month. So you can try the VIP channel for only 17.5 pounds a month. So I believe this is nothing. And if you like our services, yeah, you can continue. If maybe you don't want to be a VIP member, you can exit, because I've told you that we have a 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, so let's take a look on the DXY, because very important, the dollar index has registered an impressive rally here. Yeah, we'll take a look on US dollar versus Canadian dollar, on the Russell. Thank you guys. Also on Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, US equities, DAX 30, and I hope that we can cover all markets. Dow Jones, Adam, thank you. That's why I am here. So let's talk about the DXY right now. And as I've told you in my analysis, previous analysis, in my sessions, I've told you guys that the DXY, the dollar index, could resume its growth, could continue to increase, and I've told you about this former uptrend line. I've told you that this line could represent a dynamic resistance, potential target, and right now here and the DXY has shown some overbought situation in the short term, and right now maybe it could slip lower, could decline, could come back to retest maybe 93.43, higher high, former resistance, now a support, also the weekly R2. So in the short term we cannot exclude a temporary decline on the DXY, and guys, a temporary decline here will force the US dollar to depreciate versus its rivals. Okay, so yeah, because after this impressive growth, after this impressive rally, yeah, it's normal and natural. A temporary drop is natural, so that's why maybe the DXY could drop a little to retest its the immediate support levels, downside obstacles, before maybe resuming its growth. Okay, let's take a look also on 1 hour. So let's take a look here on 1 hour. oh sorry, on the daily, sorry guys, on the daily, because very important, as you can see, the dollar index has managed to jump above this higher high 93.43, former high, which is what it was seen as a major and strong static resistance. So stabilizing above it could signal a potential further growth, and the potential further growth will signal that the US dollar will continue to appreciate versus its rivals, versus the most important versus the most important currencies. So yeah, a further growth could push euro versus the US dollar down towards fresh new lows. Yeah, we'll take a look on oil as well. First of all, let's start with I believe Dow Jones for Adam, guys, because it was the first message. So US 30, guys, and we'll talk also, guys, for the VIPs. We'll take a look also on the euro versus the British pound. So US 30 right now, the US equities are moving higher, are increasing only because I've told you that the DXY, the dollar index, drops. So here, guys, the price of the Dow Jones Industrial Average has decreased, has tested and retested, has registered only false breakdowns here below the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork, also below the weekly S2. So right now it could challenge these immediate resistance levels. Personally, yeah, I'll stay away from US 30 right now, because maybe after this major engulfing, bullish engulfing, yeah, we had something, but personally maybe I want to see a retest here, or maybe a sideways movement, or a value breakout here, consolidation, before maybe considering going long. Okay, here on US 30, only because yeah, we have also this immediate downtrend line. So yeah, right now I don't want to go long on US 30, even if the DXY maybe will continue to drop, even if the dollar will depreciate. So I've told you in my previous sessions that when the dollar index maybe drops, yeah, maybe the US equities will increase, will grow, will rise. Okay, but I've told you that this is not a perfect correlation, but personally I've told you that maybe when the DXY drops, I don't want to be maybe short on US equities. Okay, Nasdaq 100, US 100, an important rally as well, but here we have an important resistance. We are here in a range, guys, in a sideways movement. Please take a look here. Yeah, so I will not consider going long from here. Maybe I'll wait maybe for continuation here, for an extended sideways movement here, maybe for a value breakout here before going long, or something like this, or maybe for another drop to maybe identify a new great long opportunity with good risk to reward ratio. So right now I'll stay away from US equities, and I will take a look also on Russell for Sohail Sajid. And also, guys, Alejandro Ramirez, hi, can you please explain what the Swing VIP channel is about? Thanks. So the VIP swing trading group, or in the swing trading VIP group, you will get, or you will receive, or my colleague Orlando will send you guys swing trades, maybe his trading opinions, maybe short to the medium term, to the long term trades on all markets. So maybe if you're interested in this kind of trades, maybe if you want to copy his trades, his opinions, yeah, you can become a VIP member in that swing trading group. So these are for those who want maybe to trade on the medium to the long term. So you can become a VIP member for the swing group as well. Okay, so US 500 increases right now, but I don't have something, so I will not stay on this market right now, because I've told you guys, because here as well, maybe if we'll draw something like this, we have a breakout, but we'll still have to wait maybe for a temporary decline, test, retest, something like a consolidation here before jumping higher. Okay, DAX 30. And also guys, if you like my analysis here, please like this video here live. You can show your appreciation for these analyses, maybe for our trading opinions. Okay, so DAX 30, the German stock index, increases as well right now, but one moment. Floor 10, the Olympia 50 coupon code can be used for the lifetime subscription. No, I've told you earlier that Olympia 50 code coupon could be used if you are a free member right now, and if you want to become a VIP member, you can use this coupon and you will get a 50% discount off only for the first month. Okay, so you can try our VIP services. Which group you prefer, Forex, crypto, or swing? This is up to you guys. I cannot recommend you guys a group. Maybe you can become, or you can become a VIP member on all our Telegram groups if you are interested in Forex, in crypto, and also in swing trading. How many trading signals daily? So if you are a free member, yeah, we try to identify and to send for the VIPs high probability opportunities, trades, our trading opinions, and yeah, it depends. 1, 2, 3, it depends. Or maybe there are days where we don't want to send anything only because we don't have a high probability trade or something. Okay, so, and of course guys, this is up to you. If you want to copy our trades, to place our trading opinions, it is up to you. Okay, so let's take a look here. DAX 30, right now we don't have something. This could be only a temporary rebound, because if the German stock index stays right below this downside 50% Fibonacci line, below these static resistance levels 15,803, 15,814, yeah, maybe the DAX 30 could drop again. Okay, so and also as long as it stays maybe right below this immediate downtrend line, the pressure is still high. So personally, I don't have something right now on this market. I will take a look on Russell, guys, and please, that's why I'm here. I'm waiting for your messages if you want me to take a look on a specific market. Okay, Russell, yeah, this was not on my watch list, unfortunately. Maybe we had something here in the short term. So as you can see here, we have an extended sideways movement here on Russell 2000, US 2000, and right now price of Russell has retested here this downtrend line. Also, it has reached this support zone. Maybe we had something on lower time frames. maybe here after this sideways movement, after maybe making here a new higher high. So yeah, right now maybe the price of the Russell could maybe increase as long as US 30, US 100, US 500 could jump higher in the short term, and maybe as long as the DXY will resume its drop, will develop an important downside movement. But still here as well, maybe we can draw something like this, like an immediate downtrend line. And yeah, maybe personally I'll wait for something here for a valid breakout, test, retest, stabilization, or for sideways movement here before it will jump higher. It has escaped from this maybe channel. Sorry, it could maybe escape from this channel, and this channel could be considered as maybe as a reversal pattern here in the short term. So yeah. How you learn Forex on the website? Sorry. Yeah, please access our website, and I believe that we have a lot of educational materials on our website. And also, if you are a free member, or if you are a beginner, maybe you can also visit our YouTube channel. You can also subscribe, and yeah, you can learn a lot from our sessions, previous live webinars, from our trading tutorials, market analysis, daily watch lists. So yeah, and also you can follow us on Instagram. We send there a lot of materials on cryptocurrencies, Forex, commodities, indexes. Okay, so so this is my opinion here on Russell. So extended sideways movement. The price has rebounded, has bounced back from a support zone, but personally I'll wait for something, for a valid breakout here, maybe stabilization before jumping higher. Okay, because it could drop anytime, again, as long as it stays below this immediate downtrend line, and if the DXY maybe will jump higher. Why no recent signals on indexes? So yeah, maybe we didn't had something really good, like a high probability trade in US 30, US 100, DAX 30, but yeah, when we'll have something, we'll come back with trading opinions for VIP members. So you can become a VIP member if you are only a free member, guys, because only the the VIP members will get all our materials and trading opinions. Okay, so DAX, let's take a look again on DAX, because Arsène Auguste, what are you waiting in DAX? Okay, so right now I don't have something in DAX 30, only because let's take a look on daily. Okay, daily here, and also let's use something, and let's see if we have yeah, we have here on the daily, as you can see, we have something like bearish divergence, higher highs, yeah, and here we have lower highs on the RSI. So this is not enough for me to consider going short on DAX 30, but this is maybe a signal that maybe the buyers are exhausted, that the DAX 30 is maybe overbought, but we'll have to wait maybe for something like a strong bearish signal before considering going short here on DAX 30. That's why personally I'm still waiting. I've told you guys that I don't have something really good right now. And also let's try to clone this and to maybe put it here, yeah, or here, but we can use this one. Okay, so here on the daily you can see that we have something like an up channel here, okay, but this up channel here on the daily chart could be maybe considered and could represent a potential reversal pattern, okay, if the DAX 30 maybe will register something like this, like a breakdown, a valid breakdown below this uptrend line from this pattern, okay, but we cannot talk right now about something like this, about this scenario, as long as the price stays higher and as long as it stays within this ascending pitchfork's body. And now let's go back on the 4-hour chart, because I will remove the RSI. I will select another color for this one here. So yeah, unfortunately it has jumped above the medium line, but it has failed to stay above it, okay. So here, after this failure to stay above the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, above the weekly pivot point, drop below the medium line, test, retests, bearish engulfings here, has signaled that maybe the bulls are exhausted. I've told you that we have an overbought situation. Right now we had a strong sell-off, and right now maybe the DAX 30 is only trying to test, retest the broken support levels. The support levels have turned into resistance, so right now maybe, yeah, we'll have only test, retest, something like this, maybe before maybe dropping towards the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork. And yeah, right now I've told you that I don't have a trading opinion here on DAX. I'm waiting for something, but maybe a valid breakdown could signal an important drop here on DAX, or maybe moving sideways and an upside breakout above this downtrend line could signal a potential growth. US oil, thank you. US oil, unfortunately, I've told you guys that the US oil could move maybe here sideways within a triangle, a symmetrical triangle. Unfortunately, here it has failed to come back above the weekly pivot point, above, guys, 67.57. It has registered only false breakouts here above the outside sliding line of the descending pitchfork, and here this aggressive sell-off breakdown through this support zone 66.58, 65, 62, also below this uptrend line, I signaled a potential strong drop. Right now it has shown here something. Let's take a look on 1 hour, because maybe we have something like let's use the RSI again, because maybe we have something, yeah, like bullish divergence. But as you already know, personally I'm not using divergence only or to trade only based on divergence, okay. So lower lows, higher lows, but signaling maybe something like oversold in the short term, but as long as it stays maybe below the weekly S2 63.15, also below this upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, only test, retest, and also as long as it stays below this outside sliding parallel line, the pressure is still high and the bias is still bearish, guys, right? It could maybe only test, retest this level before dropping deeper, or it could jump above it to retest this level before dropping deeper. And I really believe that maybe we'll have to wait for something like a strong pattern, bullish pattern, before going long again on US oil. And here we have an important level, former high 64.23, and only maybe something like an upside breakout above it, above the outside sliding line, could signal something like an important growth. But I've told you right now, I don't have something in US oil. I will delete the RSI. And technically, guys, here the upside 50% Fibonacci line of the descending pitchfork is seen as potential major support, downside obstacle. So yeah, as long as it stays below the upper medium line, below the sliding line, below this former high, we cannot exclude maybe a temporary decline. But we'll have to wait maybe for something like test, retests, before maybe the price of US oil will drop deeper. Okay, because right now I've told you that the price action has signaled something like an oversold. Arsanda, August, US 100, the Nasdaq. Thanks in advance. We talked about US 100, but I will take a look again on US 100 right now for you guys. That's why I am here. US 100. I told you earlier that the Nasdaq US 100 continues to move sideways within this pattern range, sideways movement. It has registered only false breakdowns here below, with great separation below 14,781.4, and right now is pressuring the weekly pivot point 15,084.6. I've told you that personally maybe I'll wait for something here, for a new drop, sideways movement, for a new pattern, something like this, because right now maybe it's hard to believe that the US 100 will make a valid breakout without maybe coming back to test or retest the immediate support levels before maybe resuming its major uptrend. Okay, so or maybe something like this could bring us something. Okay, or maybe a new temporary drop. We'll wait. Personally, I'll wait here on the US 100. Okay, let's go back to the DXY, guys. Yeah, the same situation, continues to stay right below this uptrend line. Let's take a look on Euro versus the US dollar. Right now, the Euro versus the US dollar tries to rebound, to recover after its drop. It has found support again on the weekly S2, 1.1669. But as long as it stays below this downside 50% Fibonacci line, the pressure is still high. But personally, here in the short term, I will draw something like this: 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and maybe if the price action here prints something like maybe a bullish engulfing, this this candle, the current candle, will close in 1 hour and 24 minutes. That's why I'll wait for something here, and the potential maybe bullish engulfing here, a major bullish candle here, maybe followed by a new major bullish candle, or for something like a test, retest, for a new maybe false breakdown, could signal maybe that the euro versus the US dollar could rebound, could increase in the short term. But that's why I'll wait for confirmation here. And if you want maybe my trading opinion on euro versus the US dollar, when I'll have something like a trade for me, for myself, I will send my trading opinion for the VIPs as well. So if you want to be a VIP, to be a part of this team, you can access the link posted right below this video, and also you can use this coupon, Olympio50, to get a 50% discount for the first month. Okay, so personally I'll wait for something here because we are at support. Personally, I've drawn this ascending pitchfork, hoping that I'll catch maybe an upside movement here if the pair will stabilize within the ascending pitchfork's body. But I'll wait for something here, okay, because maybe something like this, a new lower low, could signal maybe a potential drop towards the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork, guys. British pound versus the US dollar. Let's take a look. An important and impressive drop. And if you remember, I've told you guys that maybe the British pound versus the US dollar could drop, maybe as long as it stays within the descending pitchfork's body. I've told you that we have something like a channel here between the inside sliding line, parallel line, and the outside sliding parallel line. Here it's failure, incapacity to stabilize above the weekly pivot point, above the outside sliding line, drop, retest of the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, and right now breakdown from this channel and drop towards the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork, guys, which is seen as a dynamic support. Danish Muhammad, hey bro, why don't you reply the email? The response is so late. Yeah, maybe there are a lot of questions from you guys, but yeah, we always reply by email. This is the only way we communicate. So yeah, when you have questions, any question, you can email support, and yeah, even if we reply maybe later, but we will reply, so don't worry, okay? And you can ask me here anything, or guys, if you have other questions, maybe you can comment in our YouTube channel. You can comment below my videos, under my live sessions, market analysis, and I will try to reply, okay? Thank you. Okay, so the next downside target is here at the lower medium line. Right now we don't have something, and another important downside target will be here at the medium line of the descending pitchfork. But first of all, the price maybe needs to take out this lower medium line, to take out this dynamic support before dropping deeper, and also something like bullish pattern here, something like a false breakdown with gray separation, a pin bar, test, retest, a new higher high maybe, or something like a sideways movement here, range could maybe bring us potential rebound from this from around, guys, from around this dynamic support, from this support zone here, from around the lower medium line. But when I'll have something, I will send my trading opinion for the VIPs into the VIP Telegram group. Okay, Bitcoin, guys. Whoa, what a nice rally here in Bitcoin. And yeah, if you remember, I told you that we are in an up channel. I told you that we could have only a temporary decline within this minor flag channel. Retest here. One moment. So the price of Bitcoin has retested the uptrend line. Aggressive breakout above the weekly pivot point 14,003.17, and also from this pattern. And right now, guys, maybe, yeah, closing, guys, maybe making a new higher high, closing this maybe 4-hour candle above 48,190 in 90 minutes could maybe signal a potential further growth here. So as long as it stays within this channel, the bias is bullish, okay? And this Smith, I'm a bit late joining. Have you covered the British pound versus the US dollar? Right now, Andy, I'm covering, or actually I've covered GBP versus the US dollar, but I could come back on the British pound versus the US dollar for you, Andy. Okay, so the Bitcoin price is bullish, and here making a new higher high, stabilizing above this former high, could signal potential further growth. And we have major maybe upside targets in the short term here at the upside line of this up channel. Also the 50,000 psychological level is seen as a potential maybe obstacle, resistance. And also, guys, here is the first warning line of the descending pitchfork. And I've told you guys in the previous weeks that it's failure, guys, to stabilize below the lower medium line. A breakout here above the upper medium line has signaled the potential growth, and yeah, maybe in the upcoming period the price of Bitcoin will take out also this dynamic resistance represented by the warning line. Yeah, don't worry, Andy, thank you. If you have other questions, or if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please. Euro versus the British pound. One moment, and as you can see here, I'm showing you this trade only because this trade was sent only, or this trading opinion, actually my trading opinion on Euro versus the British pound was sent only for the VIPs. So this is too late to go long right now on Euro versus the British pound, only because personally I've decided today to manage my position, to close 70% of my position here in Euro versus the British pound, and I've moved my stop loss from here, from below this former low, to break even. Okay, so this trade is still running in profit right now. Is safe, guys, only because I told you guys I've moved my stop loss at break even, and right now it runs in profit around 37-38 pips in profit. And yeah, I've told you guys that it is too late to go long right now, only because the price could drop anytime to retest this downside 50% Fibonacci line, to retest, or a breakdown below it could signal a potential drop. But my trade is safe right now. I told you I've closed part of it, and I've kept only 30% size in this position, and my position is safe right now because my stop loss is at break even. Okay, so this is an example of maybe trading opinions that you can get if you'll become a VIP member, and it's up to you if you want to copy a trading opinion, if you want to open a trade. Okay, because everything is only for educational purpose. Let's take a look on US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. It has reached an important resistance zone, right? And after this amazing rally, a temporary decline is natural. Okay. Okay, so the price of US dollar versus the Canadian dollar has printed here a pin bar, and it has registered only a false breakout above 1.2928. It has failed to reach 1.2957, and right now is pressuring the second warning line of the descending pitchfork. And guys, as you already know, here, after its failure to drop below 1.2474 to make a new lower low, it has invalidated the potential larger drop. After this breakout, valid breakout above the upper medium line, it has signaled a potential growth. And here this new higher high jumping above these static resistance levels has signaled the potential further growth. Okay, so personally, maybe you are wondering what I want to see maybe here in US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, maybe before taking action again on this pair. So this is normal, natural in the short term drop, okay, after this amazing rally. Okay, after this reaching this resistance area zone, after failing to reach the third 350% Fibonacci line. So here maybe something like a sideways movement in the short term, test, retest, falls, breakdowns below 1.2807 because we had this former high here, breakout, maybe the price could come back to test, retest, and as long as it stays above 1.2807, above the warning line, maybe also, even if this uptrend line, it is not very relevant right now, as long as it stays above these immediate support levels, and something like a sideways movement could bring us new buying opportunities. Okay, so personally I'll search for new buying opportunities here in US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, maybe after several tests, retests here, after maybe something like a sideways movement here, before jumping higher because the bias is bullish. Euro versus the Australian dollar. So been waiting for exhaustion of buyers. It is still longing. No, I don't know. Yeah, right now, and as you can see here, yeah, it's still bullish, but one moment, because I will, whoa, so something like this. Okay, so yeah, it could be exhausted in the short term. I will delete this pitchfork because it has reached this zone, this area. One moment, because I want to place it here in this top. Okay, so we had here a former high, so we have maybe we can say that 1.6419 is a historical static resistance. So it has registered only false breakouts above it. I will take a look on lower time frame, but before I will do that, I will draw here something like this. Okay, so on ascending pitchfork, guys, selecting 3 points, 1, 2, 3, right? Increase towards the medium line, breakout. It has moved towards the upper medium line. So right now, as you can see, the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork acts as a dynamic resistance. Also 1.6419 is seen as a resistance as well. So right now maybe we'll have to wait for something. That's why I will go on 1 hour. So sell off, and right now the euro versus the Australian dollar is trying to retest the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork. Okay, and personally I believe that maybe something like stabilizing below it, test, retest, could bring us something. Okay, so yeah, it is at resistance here, right? And I believe that maybe only a value breakout, a new higher high, could signal upside continuation. But as long as it stays below 1.6419, maybe also below this upper medium line, personally maybe I'll look for something like this as well, but I'll wait for confirmation. And a strong drop, guys, here after maybe test, retest, could be activated and signaled by new lower low. If the price of euro versus the Australian dollar will drop and stabilize, will make a value breakdown here below 1.6336. Okay, so I'll keep an eye on this one as well for you guys maybe, and if I'll have something, I will come back with my trading opinion for the VIP members, sending my trading opinion in the, or my trade in the VIP Telegram group. So we could connect these as well, but yeah, also maybe something like test, retest, false breakouts here could maybe signal a potential drop, and also maybe something like a breakdown below this immediate uptrend line could signal something like a potential drop. But right now I don't want to make too many scenarios. I'll wait for something because right now I don't have something. Right now it is still bullish despite this drop. Jumping above one, making a valid breakout above 1.6419 could signal a potential further growth. Okay. US dollar versus the Japanese yen, guys. It continues to move sideways. We don't have something. Personally, I don't like the price action right now. Please take a look here. But technically, still, I can say that technically, its failure to approach to reach maybe the lower medium line. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm tired. Okay, its failure to drop to approach to reach the medium line of the descending pitchfork has signaled that the price could come back towards the upper medium line. Okay. Also, it has registered only false breakdowns here below the 61.8 retracement level, below 109.07. Okay, right now it's trapped within this, I don't know, something like a formation pattern, but personally I will wait for something, I don't know, upside breakout, stabilization. And for me, guys, here euro versus the Japanese yen could bring maybe something only if it will make a valid breakout above the upper medium line. Okay, and technically when the price fails, when we have a descending pitchfork, okay, and the price fails to reach the medium line pivot, okay, so maybe I'll wait for something like this, for maybe an extended sideways movement, valid breakout, and then maybe I'll search for long opportunities, okay, in euro versus the Japanese yen. And the upside scenario could be invalidated, guys, only maybe by maybe downside breakout and by a new lower low if the price will drop and stabilize below 61.8 retracement level. But right now this scenario is unlikely to happen as long as maybe the DXY will continue to increase. And let's take a look also on the Nikkei, because the Japanese stock index has tried to rebound, to increase. Let's take a look. We have something here. Yeah, we have something here, like a support zone area. So as you already know, when the Nikkei, the Japanese stock index, increases, then the Japanese yen could drop, could depreciate versus its rivals. And if you'll take a look, we'll take a look also on the British pound versus the Japanese yen, or maybe Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen, euro versus the Japanese yen, because yeah, this drop registered by the Nikkei has has helped the Japanese yen to increase. Okay, so let's take a look. Yeah, amazing sell-off drop on the British pound versus the Japanese yen, only because the Japanese stock index has dropped. Okay, I've told you guys that you can use these correlations in trading. These maybe are not perfect correlations. Drop in euro versus the Japanese yen, okay, and right now it tries to increase only because the Nikkei tries to increase as well. Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen, amazing sell-off drop. Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen. ID Scope, how are you, man? Gold order is still valid or not? We'll take a look again on gold, but I believe that that pending order is still valid. Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen, sell off. Yeah. And before I'm going maybe long on one of these pairs, I will maybe identify something like potential growth, leg higher, swing higher on the Nikkei, okay, before maybe deciding going long again on New Zealand dollar versus the Japanese yen, or maybe on the British pound versus the Japanese yen. Okay. Okay, guys, gold, yeah, gold is still here, and I've told you that this support zone area continues to hold. Yeah, and I told you that maybe an upside breakout, valid breakout, because personally I'm waiting for a valid breakout. Something like a valid breakout from this pattern, from this channel here, could indicate the potential upside continuation, only because this channel is seen as a continuation pattern, guys. Right? So yeah, gold order is still valid. Okay, guys, let's take a look on Ethereum. I believe that the price of Ethereum increases as well, as long as the price of Bitcoin increases. I've told you guys that we may have only a temporary drop here, but I've told you that as long as it stays above 29, 15, 31, it could still increase, and right now is pressuring again the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork. We had here something like bearish divergence. I told you that we could have something only a temporary decline here in Ethereum before jumping higher, and as always, you can use the correlation with Bitcoin, and when the price of Bitcoin increases, the altcoins will increase as well. Maybe it's not a perfect one correlation, but you can use it, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll talk a little also about the DeFi coin. But here, Ethereum. Maybe you can say that we have something like this, like a sideways movement. And this range, sideways movement, this range, this accumulation, consolidation could maybe represent, or this range could be seen as a potential continuation pattern. If the price of Ethereum will make an upside breakout, a valid breakout, test retests, breakout also above the 61.8 retracement level, also to stabilize above the upper medium line, or something like this, could really signal a potential upside continuation. Please, should I buy gold now? Purple Soft, Nigeria. I told you that personally I'm waiting for an upside breakout in gold, and I will take a look. One moment, guys, because I forget. So Orlando sent his one moment, his trading opinion, his trade for the VIPs, and I don't know exactly if it was a free opinion as well. One moment to check. One moment, guys. So no, Orlando's trading opinion trade on gold is only for VIPs, for VIP members. So I will not talk too much about gold right now. I've told you that Orlando sent his trading opinion in gold, for the VIPs, only for the VIPs today. So this is a pending order, and if you want to, of course, it is your decision if you want to copy that trade. So if you want to still maybe catch this trade, you can become a VIP member. You can use that coupon that I've sent you into the YouTube chat, Olympiu50, to get 50% off discount for the first month. So you will pay in the first month only 17.5 pounds, and also we have a 30 days money back guarantee. So yeah, you can become a VIP member to catch this trade in gold. Yeah, I've told you that we have something like a continuation pattern here. This is only my analysis here. This is not a trading recommendation, guys. So this is only my opinion. Okay. Palladium, let's take a look. This is not on my watch list, but I will take a look on. Whoa, what a massive drop. Please guys, like this video right now because yeah, it will be highly appreciated, and also this will be helpful for us into the YouTube algorithm. Okay, I will delete all my drawings, and maybe we talked about this one in my previous sessions. Unfortunately, it has failed to stay here above 28.15.43 retest, and right now we have something maybe like this. Yeah, right now it's pressuring this downside line. Yeah, thank you as well. Okay, so yeah, it has dropped below all these former highs, support levels. Yeah, and right now we have a potential support here at 22.48. Also this downside line, but only a false breakdown with great separation, maybe something like a bullish pattern here around 22.48 could maybe signal a potential rebound. And also I will draw here something like this. Let's see, could help us. So drop, rebound, false breakout, drop, and I will also use maybe something like an inside sliding parallel line. I will draw a parallel line with the medium line, and we can place one here. Okay, in this after this drop, rebound, so we'll place an inside sliding parallel line. We'll select another color. Well, we'll select another color, something like this, and as I told you earlier, we have something here like a support zone, confluence area, but we'll have to wait. Okay, so we have this inside sliding parallel line as a dynamic support. We have this down channels downside line as a support. Also 22.48 as a static support. Okay, and only maybe something here, test, retest, false breakdowns. You'll have to wait, guys, here for a strong bullish pattern here before deciding to go long, because dropping below all these immediate support levels, stabilization below these support levels could signal a potential deeper drop. Okay, and maybe you can also, I don't know, try to identify new potential downside target like this. Okay guys, let's take a look here on the DeFi coin, on the DeFi coin. An important growth, as I've told you in my previous session, and maybe I've told you here